Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on-screen keyboard on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on-screen keyboard on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Accessibility. Now scroll down. Here you will find an option Keyboard. Click on Keyboard and then scroll down again. Here you will find on-screen keyboard and now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Now on-screen keyboard is turned on in my Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.